Computer is everywhere. Laptop, smartphone, watch, even television. With computer, we can do many things, playing, making video, even adults uses computer to work. Computer cannot think by itself. To use computer, we need to put application in it. We create computer application with coding. Coding, sometimes also known as programming. Coding means, we tell computer to do something. To tell the computer, we cannot just tell them using English language. We need to use language that computer knows, and tell that language in particular way that computer knows. That language is called as programming language. To coding, we must think like computer. This means, we must split an instruction into simple steps which computer can understand. Take this for example. You can make delicious cake. Your friend wants to make a cake, but your friend does not know how to make one, so she asks you. You cannot just tell your friend to make a chocolate cake. Your friend even does not know how to start make a cake. So you must give a chocolate cake recipe for your friend. At the recipe, you write ingredients to make chocolate cake. You also write step-by-step instruction to make the cake. Each of the step is made as simple as possible, so your friend can follow the step. For example, you can write step like, break 2 eggs into a large bowl, or, add 2 teaspoons of sugar. These instructions must be done in correct order. To make application with coding is like make recipe for chocolate cake. For example, to tell computer to show 7 random color circles like this picture, we must give steps to the computer. The steps must be simple and told in correct order, so computer can understand them. Something like this. In computer, this recipe is what known as coding. To do coding, we cannot use plain English. We must use language that computer knows. Such language is called as programming language. There are many programming languages. Some programming languages are easy to learn, like Scratch. In the next videos, we will learn using Scratch programming language. For more advanced application, we can use more difficult programming languages, like Java or Python. To learn coding, we should start with the easy programming language like Scratch. So we know how to do coding. Then we later can move to more difficult programming language.